Hello, friends. I'm here today so you can join me in the excitement of opening a box of goodies that I received from my dear friends Paul and Sandy in Buffalo, New York. I grew up south of there, and so it was really exciting to get this package and see what's inside. So come join me. So the first thing I want to share is this wonderful note that was included. It says, "Hi, Sparkle and Tom. Hello from Buffalo. Hope you guys enjoy some of our hometown favorites. So glad I got to meet all of my artist friends. You guys are the best of people. Thanks for being so generous. Love always, Paul and Sandy." What a sweet note. Thank you. Let's get to the goodies. Oh my God, this is great. We can put this on our refrigerator. That's awesome. Oh my gosh, look at all this stuff. Oh, we got Weber's horseradish prepared mustard. Thank you, honey. Oh my God, look at all this stuff. I can't believe it. The Paolo's Italian dressing and marmalade. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, I'm so excited. This is such a rush. Oh my God. Original Anchor Bar wing sauce. Oh my God. Anchor Bar wings are so amazing. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What the heck is this? Oh my God. Crystal Beach Bottling Company Loganberry flavored beverage syrup. Oh my gosh. Never had it. I am excited about trying it. Like on waffles, maybe? Awesome. Okay, I gotta put this over here where I have more room. Oh my God, this is so exciting. I can't believe it. Paul, you are awesome. Look at you. Okay, I gotta try to get this open. I think I'm gonna have to use some scissors. Hold on one second. Okay, now we got it. You packed these so beautifully, thank God. Okay, what do we got? Oh, goodness. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is going to be amazing. Just Pizza. Original pizza sauce. Wow. Oh gosh almighty. That's going to be awesome. Okay, so we got another bottle here. Paul, you're amazing. You packed this all so beautifully. Thank God, because the box was basically destroyed. So you knew. Oh my gosh. Ted's hot chili sauce. Oh, Tom's gonna totally love this. thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my gosh. Got more treats, more treats, more treats. All right, what do we got here? Oh gosh, you sure packed this all great. Let's see if I can get this open. This is amazing. This is amazing. This is amazing. Oh, come on. You can do it. You are a hoot, Paul. Ah, I can't even get that open. All right, let's do this. I can do this. I have the power. Oh, yeah. Oh my goodness, this is great. This is like unwrapping the best. Put that down there. Thank you. What is this? Oh my God. Reese prepared horseradish. You know, when I lived in New York, this was like the best ever. Thank you, darling. Oh my gosh, this is incredible. And I got one more to open. Oh my gosh. Paul, you just went all out, and I am so excited. Thank you, honey. Okay, let's see what we got here. I am so glad you wrapped this all so well, because that box was in horrible shape. Okay, let's get this out of here. Oh, you're amazing. Your wrapping is amazing. Is this what I think it is? Is this what I think it is? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Yes, it is the amazing Chef's Meat Flavored Pasta Sauce. Oh, I love this. I used to use this all the time when I was living in New York. Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you so much for all these wonderful, wonderful treats. I love you. And okay, so we've got the pasta sauce. We've got the vinaigrette magic. Nice. And we've got the Tualo's Italian dressing and marinade. And we have the original pizza sauce by Just Pizza. Thank you. And we have the prepared horseradish. Oh my gosh. That is always amazing. And then we've got the Weber's horseradish mustard. Yay! And last but not least, the hot chili sauce. Ted's. Oh my gosh. I am so lucky. We're going to have so many good eats here. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Paul. These are, oh wait, I almost forgot. Oh wait, here it is. Yes, the Crystal Beach Bottling Company Loganberry flavored beverage syrup. Oh my God, I have so many ideas around that, even with my margaritas. Gonna give it a try. Paul, I love you, darling. Thank you so much for my gift. Thank you, honey. See ya. I almost forgot the Texas hot dog sauce that can be mixed up and put on your hot dog. Oh my goodness, how did I forget that? Thanks, Paul. Love you.